Go.
Okay, so
What's your name?
my name is Alena Regis, and
Where are you at?
I am at Harrison's parents' house at a typewriter party where I got to learn how to use this typewriter. And so today I'm going to take this bright blue paper and you're going to put it right here in the front, and then you're going to take this on the side right here and you're going to twist it. And it'll roll the paper in, and you're going to want to have this up, and then you put it in because this holds it secure as you type. So you roll it up to where you want to start, and then you're going to push this far enough to where you want to type. So I'll start right here. And if you come up close, you can see this is red. So if I were to put A, you see it'd be red. Or, hold on, let's make it easier. That is red. So if you want to do black, then you'll put it all the way down where it says blue, but it's black. And now it's black. So if I were to type something, if I want to go to a new line, then I would take this and scroll a little down and then keep going. I could go all the way over here if I wanted to. And I could type something as easy as how are you feeling today? And once you get all the way to the end, you'll hear a little noise, like a ding. Ding! And so when you're done with that, then you'll twist it, and you'll go back, and you'll start again.